How to use the bet builder feature on bet365. If you want to use the bet builder feature on bet365, what you want to do is, first of all, you want to simply open the bet365 application, and then you want to tap on the login option located at the top right hand side and log into your account using a username or email as well as your password, and then tap on the login button. Then once you tap on the login button, what you have to do is you have to select a match, which means a football, basketball match, whatever else it is from it. There are different type of sports and leagues, right? So just based on what is it that you want, you can select a certain match. Now what happens is, after you select a certain match, right, after you select a certain match, you have to simply select the bet builder option within that certain bet. Then you have to add to your selections, which means to choose multiple markets from the same game, example match result, total goals or player to score, cards or corners, and then you must also review your bet slip. So once you've added your selections, you can tap add to bet slip to your review. Then after that, just enter the stake, input the amount you want to wager and confirm your bet by tapping on it. Now if you don't know what bet builder is, the bet builder allows you to create personalized bets with combined odds for higher potential returns. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.